Alright, this is Piney Prepper Bill. A couple things I want to go over with. One of my other videos was prepping on a budget, and I talked about the bug out bags we got. We got some long-term storage food from Wise, and we got it real cheap, and a guy gave us 4 bug out bags from Wise. They're 1 day, or 1 person, 5-day survival bug out bags, like this. Now we got 4 of them. They're not real good, but I noticed 2 came in boxes and 2 were separate. They were brand new, sealed. 2 of them came with a thing on the side, and 2 of them came in boxes. Now, they are a little bit different color camo, but I noticed the insides are different and the bags are different. Now, this one, the bag, this one flap opens up. Let me see, where is it? They all got different compartments. This has got some kind of orange flag thing, I guess, so when you're walking through the woods, it's actually got like a little hole here. And you pull, I'm guessing this is how it works. It looks like you pull your orange flag out, and then you can zip it back up. So I guess when you're walking through the trail or something, somebody can find you with this. This has got pockets on the side for a water bottle with the push thing that keeps them tight. The other one doesn't have it. The shoulder straps are so-so, I guess, you know, with the buckles. The bags are a little bit different. But I want to go through the insides too, because they have different contents a little bit. So this side is the one that just had the flap on it. This side is the one that came in the box. Now, let's see. Okay, this one came with a cup. And this one came with a little pot cup. And I said before, it's supposed to be 1 person, 5-day survival kit. And it comes with, each one comes with a little packet, like 5 or 6 packets of emergency water. That might be enough. I didn't really do the research on how much it takes to cook the food. But 1 person needed a gallon of water per day. So that would be 5 gallons. So there's not enough water. Then another thing I noticed, there's no utensils. There's no fork, no spoon, no knife. So that's something to think. You might want to put some stuff in here. So this one came with some matches, dust mask. This one came with a cup. Let's see what else it's got. I'm going to try and keep them separate. This has got an emergency whistle, a compass, a temperature gauge, a flashlight that doesn't work. I don't even see that. Oh, this one has almost the same exact one. I'm going to leave it in the box though. This one came with, they both came with the same crank. Emergency flashlight. It doesn't take batteries. It cranks up for power. And now it's, oh, there it goes. So they both came with the same, different brand, but they look exactly the same. Just so far, they're about the same. This is a little trash bag, I guess, for poop. I believe that's what this is, so that's the same. Emergency poncho. I don't see that lasting real long. I would probably go to Harbor Freight, you know, since we're on a budget here, I would go to Harbor Freight and get you know, for like $8 or $10, get a whole rain suit, which would probably be better. Right, that's the flashlight's the same as that. Waterproof matches, waterproof matches. All right, these are water purification tablets. I don't see that in this one. They could be in here, but I don't see them. Oh, water purification tablets, okay. Handy wipes. Handy wipes. Emergency blanket. Again, I don't know how good that's going to be. Emergency blanket. I don't know what they look like. I don't know what the good ones go for. Emergency rain poncho. Now, what was the other one? Tissues, tissues, first aid kit. Now, 36-piece, I don't know, I think you get a better one at the dollar store. 36-piece, so they're about the same. Playing cards, what are you going to do with playing cards? I don't know. Alright, that one has this dust mask, this one has this one. N95. This is a 194. So this one came with a camp stove, and these are different. This one opens up like this. Of course, they ripped. Oh, they stink. These are your fuel cells for them. Camp stove. Goes like that. You put one of these in, you light it, you put your pot on top. But it has adjustments on it for different sizes. Oh, that's not locked up. Like that. This came with, well, I think 24 cubes, or with fuel cells, fuel tablets. And this one is a little bit different. This one is similar. It has the different settings to put your pot on, or it opens up all the way, and it's got a lid for it, which is kind of nice. But it came with four cubes. I don't know how long they last. There's really no directions on here whatsoever. Now, alright. I'm going to pause this, put this stuff away, and then I'll bring the food out. Alright, so we'll do this one, is the one that came in the box. Wise apple cinnamon cereal. Includes 4 servings. Now, once you open these bags, you can't reseal them. So my problem with that is, if you're supposed to eat a meal a day, so I guess you'd have to eat this all day long. You're not going to switch, have a little bit of this today, a little bit tomorrow. There's no way to seal the bag. So what I might do is put these in the Ziploc, what do you call it? Ziploc, never mind. Anyway, this is brown sugar and maple grain cereal, apple cinnamon cereal, Southwest bean and rice, hearty tortilla soup, tortilla soup, creamy vegetable pasta, whey milk alternative. That sounds appetizing, huh? Alright, this one, hearty tortilla soup, creamy pasta and vegetable rotoni, milk alternative, apple cinnamon cereal, brown sugar and maple multigrain cinnamon cereal, Southwest rice and beans. So they're pretty much the same. But again, you can't close this. So you pretty much either got to cook the whole thing and then save it. But if you're, I don't know. What I was talking about was vacuum seal bags. Take the Ziploc vacuum seal, put these in there, each one. So this way, if you use it, you can still put it in vacuum seal, or you won't have vacuum seal to get, shit hits the fan. But at least you'll be able to reseal it. That's the problem I have with this. It's, other than these are probably, worth some money. You got 5 meals here with some alternative milk. The bags are kind of iffy. There's not enough water. You definitely need water, and it's really not enough to survive. There's a lot more room in the bags to put other stuff, but you definitely need utensils. I searched the bags. There's no fork, no spoon, no knife. Not that you would need a knife, but you might want a knife to open these up. For a survival bag, you got no knife. So I'll put like a Swiss Army knife in there from somewhere, or even go to Harbor Freight and get like a Rambo knife. I think these are like $8, $9. Of course you can get better ones somewhere else, but this is on a budget. I got this at Harbor Freight, my Rambo knife. It's actually pretty sharp. I cut stuff with this all the time. I cut wood, branches, everything with that. And this has got a compass in it. And your fishing line and matches and all that in here. So, for a survival bag, it really's got nothing for, if you don't know much about survival and you just buy this and put this in your car or put this in under your bed and then you bug out with it, you're going to be hurting. You're not going to last real long because you don't have enough water to survive. The bags are okay for 5 days. I guess if you're running through, shit hits the fan and you got to run around with a backpack in the back of your car or through the woods, but they're not going to last real long. But there's a lot of room in here to, put extra clothes. I don't know what that was, but there's a lot of extra pockets on here, a lot. So, got a thing in here you could put a bedroll or clothes. I'll definitely put utensils, a couple bottles of water in there, probably a good knife, maybe a flint starter or a fire starter or a flint, whatever you call it. But as far as a 5-day survival bag, just the way it sits, they go for $60. We kind of got them for free with the other storage food we got. Would I pay $60 for them? $60 a piece? No. Everything in there is pretty much, you could get at the dollar store. I would definitely get a better first aid kit for it. Definitely a better first aid kit. This just got, like a couple bandages, a couple Band-Aids, The dollar store's got better ones than that. I would go to like Target. I would say Walmart, but we don't go to Walmart. We hate Walmart. They're bad for America, but that's another video. I would just get a better first aid kit, throw a couple bottles of water in there, and that'll get you by. But I just wanted to go through it and show it to you and let you know the difference. I didn't know there was a difference, but different stoves and different bags. And that's it. I'll talk to you later. Bye.